popping, Snoo.
What's
Not
Daddy
popping
making?
over, just popping.
Daddy's making popovers.
Gotta do something with all this jam.
Good morning. Hi. Yes, that's a sweet thing to say. That's the perfect pan for you, Henry.
Little baby cake.
It's the perfect size for you. Maybe on your birthday, I'll bake you a cake in it.
Banana cream pie.
Tuppy.
Don't forget.
Oh yeah, we have to write it down. You get banana cream pie so you can make a big mess.
Scratching your teeth on the pan. Is that nice?
Henry. Henry. There you are. Coming this way. I better go find your face. There's my boy. Hi, boy. Cuppy, get down. Get down. Sit. No. Ew. Don't scrape your new tooth on that. You need something else to bite. Here, look. Yes. You've got a good setup there now. You can reach all your things. Yep. Yep. Are you having a good morning? Yes. Henry, where's Daddy? Yes, that's Daddy. Where's your dog? Henry, where's the dog? Where's the dog? She's right there. There she is. She's gonna lick you. Where's Mama? Where's Mama? No.
Not me.
Where's Mama? Henry. Who gives you the milkies? Henry. Ugh, such a traitor. You do give him milk too. He's probably
Yeah,
like,
so
You can use it, Jim. I'm sure that's much to get.
Henry, I love you. Can you wave to Mama? Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
You love to make noise. You're a big boy now. You can play on the floor by yourself.
8 months.
It's getting away.